Yun na nga, no? So, ito na tayo. We're back after 4 years. After 4 years, man. So, yeah, basically, we're here just doing some fit check, preparing our things. So, pupunta tayo ng park. So, you know, basically, that's the fit. Some Converse, some red shorts, and some shirt, whatever. Pero yun, hindi na mawawala ang cup na yan. You know, that's what we represent now.
Always
right?
bring your water.
But it's not temporary. Yup. Yeah.
You know what I might be saying here. Hindi ako marunong mag-vlog. But yeah.
So yun na nga guys. Basically, ayusin ko lang yung mga gamit ko dyan. Papasok ko lang yung bag ko para may-prepare ko na papunta doon sa park kung saan ako tatambay. And may kita nyo mamaya yun sa video. But yeah, long story short, nasa Australia ako and I'm here for like a year already. And yeah, I'm just studying here and achieving my dreams, and yeah, that's it. Mahabang kwento pero I might make a video, separate video of it.
Today I'm using the bike of my dad. So why not? And wala naman ako magawa dito. Gotta go and work earlier in the morning, so yeah. And so sunny, hot as hell outside. And what I've seen here. Oh, grabe yung init. Ano yung init ngayon? Actually, hindi ko alam. Anong init na ngayon? Maybe 30, 29. Whatever, no? Pero, yeah. I'll go on. Maybe just go on a journey. Journey daw. I'm just gonna look that. Parang grabe naman yan. Yeah. So yeah, this is my case. Supposedly my case. Nakita lang namin siya sa sideway ng roads. Sideways ng roads. Basta sa tabing kalsada. Sabi ko, hindi ko nga. The thing is, hindi siya kasi sa gitara ko. And yeah, this is my guitar now. Hindi rin kasya yung bag niya. But yeah, it's fine. I'll work on it. Importante, gumagana siya and yeah, okay na yan. Kaya impormahan yan. And yeah, this is, ayan ang Japorms natin. Wow, Japorms. Mag-bike na ako. I don't know how to do this. Para gawin to. Okay. Hindi na ako marunong mag-bike. Couldn't do even, hindi ko na kaya mag one hand. Hey, I'll fix a lot. Pero pa yan, ang dami namang trial and issues. Anyways, I'll fix them already. It's quite dangerous. So yeah, hindi ko kaya mag one hand, so bahala na. Let's go. Small phone. Hindi ko na kaya mag one hand. Yeah, this is naninigil. Let's go. Aray. Mama yung helmet ko sa sanga. Buti naka-helmet ako. Yeah, that's the view. Matay ako sa ginagawa ko. Yeah. Wala na.
So yun na nga, no? So basically papunta na ako sa park na ito. And I was trying to like hold the phone while doing the vlog, just using one hand on the bike. Ang hirap pala. I used to do this on UP, pero yun. So yun, sinadya ko talagang dalhin yung isa ko pang phone para mas mahawakan ko yung camera while doing a bike. Ano naman yung angulo niya. Pero yun, I'm trying my best, okay? Okay, judge, kakabalik ko lang.
My spot right now. The usual spot natin. Actually, usual spot ko whenever I do a jog in here. Kasi dito ginagawa yung jog ko. You know, so yep. Wala namang ahas dito. Okay naman tayo. Shit man. Tayo nung nilakbay ni Bossing. Yep, there you go. I'm on the bike. Ano ba klaseng vlog to? I don't know. I'm just doing the vlog. Show you guys on how things are dito sa Australia sa mga estudyante. Ano ba ang usual na ginagawa ni Ethan and Steve?
So yeah, yun na nga. Basically, this is my usual spot. Palagi ito yung tambayan natin. Especially pag nag-jogging ako, dito ako nagpapahinga kasi dito talaga solid magmuni-muni and all. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Ayun na yun. Ayun na, magigitara na ako dyan kasi... And yeah, actually my first time, like, just... Wala nang tambay lang dito kasi... Solid din talaga dito, lalo na pag... Gusto mo lang magmuni-muni.
Parang dito naman yung buhay ko. Kasi ito ka, just stop checking. I'm so alone in here. Video. So what am I gonna do here? I'm just gonna do some jamming. Why not? Maybe write some music. Wow, magawa ng kanta. Pero hindi. Cover lang. I'll do covers. I'll upload it soon. Baka mauna nga yung covers eh. Kasi ma-upload ko to. But yeah, depends on my mood. Depends on my mood on how things going to go. Ito. It's a view. Honestly, I love this spot because, you know, nakakapag-isip ako ng klaro here about things I do, kung paano ko dinidesisyonan ang buhay. Wala, peaceful lang. Huni ng ibon. Yeah, wala. Being here is so hard. Kinda hard. In a way. Pero, kinakaya naman. Mahirap naman talaga. Wider than a mile, crossing you in style. Someday, my dream maker, heartbreaker. Wherever you're going, and I'm going the same. Two drifters off to see the world. Such a crazy world. You see, we're all chasing after our ends, chasing after our ends. Life is round the bend, my friend. Moon, river, and me. Yung snapping song. Snacks lang ako. Then I'm at go now. Ikot lang tayo ng bahagya dito sa park. And yeah, uwi na tayo. Ayun, that's my afternoon. Plano ko siya ng mag-try sa mga grass dun sa park. At the moment, isipan ko dito na lang. May upuan, presko, sa view. Look at the view, man. Solid. Let's go now. Isip ko, umikot muna dito. Ayan. Go dyan. Going back home. Diyan ako lalabas. Sure lang. I'll be going now. This is the setup. Ayan ang setup natin ngayon. Boom, 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 boom. Pose. Yan lang. Tara na. Let's go. Let's na tayo. Yeah, I have to stop by. Swinging the veg. Okay naman siya, diba? Bumaba na kasi yung araw. It's already 7:30 ng gabi. Bumaba pa lang yung araw. Dahil, summer ngayon, so diba? There's a view. I just have to stop in here. Let's go now. Nakuha na ako ni Lord, ah. So yun guys, pauwi na ako. I'm about to go home now. Ang buti na lang umikot ako dito. I love the sunset. Ano yun? Ganda. About to go home now. See you. See you guys.
So happy New Year, everybody. I hope you guys having a wonderful year and starting this 2026. Pero yun lang, I'm now back after 4 years I'm not uploading on this channel. Pero yun, I've decided to upload, and yeah, maybe I'll try more things, new things this year, and I'll document most of the things that I'm doing here in Australia. And yeah, that's basically it. Something that I could watch in the future. Yun lang. And that's how my day went.
I'm out.